Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Cadillac XT4 in a premium trim, I believe, powered by a 2-liter turbocharged engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and with all-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you've got a nice power liftgate that opens up and out of the way for you, revealing a relatively spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You have a fancy cargo cover, and underneath here you have your spare with some extra room for other equipment and tie-down points, 12-volt power outlet, and this closes again with another simple press of a button. Looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with a full leather interior, fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having a USB, USB-C, and heated rear outboard seats. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have 2 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, as well as having power adjustable steering wheel, it looks like. Now, sitting in the vehicle they're running, you can see it's sitting at 48,658 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free radio controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel range, oil life, tire pressures, filter life, fuel economy, follow distance for your cruise control, driver assistance features and settings such as your lane keep assist, I believe, temperatures, engine boost, a lot of service info there too. I believe you can go through to your now playing, your nav, your phone controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to the left, here you have your cruise controls with pre-collision assist. You also have your heated steering wheel, so you can keep your fingers warm. And then over here, you have your parking brake, and then your controls for your HUD, your heads-up display, which you can kind of barely see. It's reflected on the windshield there. It's much easier to see in person, but you can kind of change where it's positioned, what information it's displaying, so that's pretty cool too. You don't have to take your eyes off the road as much to look at some of your basic information. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, Bluetooth, Spotify, Amazon Alexa. You have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And then you have your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, and your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate. Moving down, you have your home screen, and then your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate. You've got your heated front seats, your park assist sensor shut off, hazards, lane keep assist, and then you've got this compartment here for USB, USB-C, SD card, and then 12-volt power outlets, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio, I believe. And then you've got your main shifter, kind of a funky lever, and then you also have paddle shifters on the steering wheel, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then you have your sort of media controls here instead of here, so might be easier to reach. 2 cup holders, traction control shut off, auto start stop shut off, and then I believe your drive mode selector. So you have touring, all-wheel drive, and sport. And then you have your center compartment / armrest, which opens up to reveal. Here you have a wireless charging pad, so you can throw your phone in there and still grab it while this is closed. You have got this removable tray, and inside you have another 12-volt and plenty of room for your other stuff. But then last but not least, you have a panoramic moonroof so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.